What are you doing in my living room? Joke of the year. Okay. Bonjour, fragrance lovers. This is Clémence. I talk about fragrance. Welcome back. Video we're talking about a French house that I discovered I think a bit more than a year now. I've done already a video on them and it was one of my first video I remember because it was called like a very surprising unboxing, magical unboxing honestly. It's the house of Martine Micallef, so Maison Micallef. Today I'm gonna show you one of the newest release, one fragrance I really like for men and one fragrance a bit more feminine that I really like as well. Before talking about that, let me introduce you a little nice offer. The house proposed to me to have a discount code for you. It's the first time that is happening to me, so I'm glad to share with you a discount code. It's called Clémence CC Fragrance 15 in capital letter. You can buy anything except what's on sale. If you want to treat yourself of a Micallef fragrance, there you go, Clémence CC Fragrance 15. I'll put you the link and everything in the description and you can have a little try and maybe treat yourself. I think we all deserved it during those times. Anyway, let me give you a little quick introduction about the house first. So, Micallef is a niche fragrance house that is being created in 1996 in Grasse. It's not that new, so it's got a lot of expertise and it's founded in Grasse. For those who don't know what is Grasse, it's basically the cradle of perfumery in France. It's where the soil is the best to cultivate some raw ingredient like lavender, geranium. You've got lots of jasmine, roses. It's really well known in France to be like, this is where perfumery begins. So having a house born in Grasse is quite something. So it's really high-end luxury perfume that I'm going to talk with you today. It's something that for me mix art, real proper art and perfumery, which I'm really happy of because I really think fragrance is an art. Martine Micallef, for expertise in design, I think she's got a very fine taste in art and you can really see that in the design of a bottle fragrance, which I'm going to show you. They are handcrafted as well, the design, which is quite nice to know when you're buying a fragrance that luxurious. You want it to be quite special. So in Micallef you do have different collection, like for example The Secret of Love, Les Exclusives, Ananda, the Jewels, Mon Parfum and the Crystal. So you've got a lot of things. I'm gonna show you three only fragrance, three of my favorites. Let's go. The first one is the newest creation, the art collection. So you do have, as far as I understood, I think once in a year, quite often, an art collection. It's an occasion, I would say, to show off some amazing talent and design on the bottle. So it's handcrafted again. So she basically collaborates with one artist that is called Roux Zadeh. He basically painted on the bottle. All the bottles are hand painted. Can you actually imagine? It comes a little box like that and you can see number 1554 over 2000. So I don't know if there's just 2000 pieces available, but it makes it quite special. The fact that all the design are very unique, it's amazing. So yeah, I'm this number, which I was really happy about. You've got the little artistic books in here that explain to you everything. This is what my bottle look like. So if you buy one, yours will be different. It's always about, you know, this contrast of color. It's a very modern, I would say, art. Amazing, like color engraved. I just don't want to touch it too much, really, because it's so precious. Really, the bottle is really heavy, which I think is nice when you buy luxury. Every details are really beautiful, and yeah, this piece of art that is here, like just made, like it's probably gonna make this completely timeless, and also worth your money in a few years. Yeah, these are limited edition bottles, so if you want to treat yourself, it's now. Let me talk to you about about the scent, you need to remember this is a woody, spicy fragrance. So I think for me it's perfect for autumn and fall because it's slightly like a greener scent. What can really smell for me is that mossy tone that is really here and a bit of leather. So slight, delicate, I would say, leather jacket with a mossy tone. The musk and the cashmere makes this scent so soft. It's just very, very soft, a bit cottony, and it smells very clean. Let me spray it. Okay, let's go today. So it's very, I would say, a unisex fragrance. A bit more. You enjoy very green scent. You can smell a touch of violet as well, but it's not really focused on flowers at all. It's really again to that grassy tone. It's really flattering for daytime, especially in autumn, because there's a slight warmth, but it's still quite ultra fresh, nearly minty freshness, and it's so beautiful to wear on daytime. I feel when it's a bit grey as well, and I want something a bit more invigorating for this season, I do wear that, and I do really enjoy it. So that's the newest creation, and I'm really not disappointing about it. It's such a beautiful fragrance, and I feel it's again something that is quite timeless. So if you feel like you want something for every day, still have a very luxurious tone, because there's a lot of contrast in the scent, and that's why I really adore in this fragrance. It's very unique. The bottle is just stunning, isn't it? Next one I wanted to talk to you about, the scent I have talked last year that is for me a bit more masculine, but ladies can wear it because I've been wearing a lot this year. Oh, it's, yeah, actually let me just spray it on my palm. I'm gonna Covered by Michele fragrance. The bottle, I really like it. I really love that design. So there's a whole collection with this design bottle. This one is the only one that is blue like this. It's really like, again, a piece of art. Like there's this sharp material. You have a lot of different texture on the bottle. So really, like, it's really worth your money again. Like you can see that all the bottles are really a unique piece of art. So, you know, you appreciate that. I love this scent because it's slightly mossy as well, like the other one, but this one's got more warmth. This benzoin that is really here. So slightly oriental to me, and there's a note of cannabis. So if you like this green, you know, kind of forbidden kind of vibe. One of my subscribers that told me by comments that one lady told him when he was wearing that this is how a man should smell, and I did really agree on that. There's so much character. It's a unique fragrance. I absolutely adore it. There's nearly this vanilla-like taste at the end, mixed with the greenness, a bit of tonka bean as well. I mean, for me, this scent is really worth your money. I really love it. It's called Désir Toxique, and it's really like something, yeah, exactly, the name is perfect. Like, it's a bit toxic, intoxicating. It's really an intoxicating fragrance. You have to know that. Those fragrances are not light, and this is nice because you want some longevity, you want some projection. This is a beast in projection, a massive beast. I feel on men is really sexy, and also quite like, there's something forbidden about it. Passionate, and I really enjoy. The third one, so I don't have it in my collection, but it's something I would like to add ideally one day because I really like it. A bit more feminine. Mon Parfum, a cute little bottle as well, very, very cute. What I can really smell in this scent is the patchouli, so it smells slightly green, but a warm kind of green tone, licorice tone, and there's this caramel that is very present. So it's a sweet fragrance, but it doesn't smell like a candy, like a date scent to me. There's a little bit of that pastry cake kind of feeling in there. Seductive, it's feminine, it's also very soft, it's like a cloud. I know that a lot of persons be comparing this scent to Angel from Thierry Mugler or Narciso Rodriguez as well for her. I'm a big fan of those fragrances, so I'm quite happy, especially Narciso Rodriguez. I love this scent. So it's quite different in a dry down, don't worry. There's so much contrast in it, and it's slightly sweeter, and I feel for a lady it's ultra sexy without being too candy-like and too sweet, blah blah blah. This is really refined but ultra seductive, the date night scent, and I really love that. So yeah. Anyway, that was the video of the day. So remember, if you want to treat yourself, the code is expiring in 7 days. So you have only 1 week if you want to treat yourself in Michele fragrance. So it's Clémence CC fragrance 15. But I really recommend this house. If you want something luxurious, high-end, and something that stands out, you won't be disappointed. For me, it's a pleasure to introduce you again to this house, because every time I go to Jovoy, I go to have a look at Michele fragrance. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel, leave me a little thumbs up, and I will see you very soon. Bye now.